Just to let you know that Wet and Wild released a new Sanrio collection, Little Twin Stars. Um, they announced it the same day it was available, and just like old times, the website kept crashing because too many people were trying to get it. And I kept questioning if I should get it or not. Because Ulta got it like 2 days later, but I didn't know what they were getting. Is it the box set gonna be there? Because there is a whole box set, and we weren't answered until Monday. When it had, was it Monday or Sunday? And they had it as of midnight. It was on the website, so we didn't know. So I went ahead and ordered it from Wet and Wild, and I got 2 separate packages. And I told you, if you want the box set, you need to add something to it so they don't put a label on the box. They're going to ruin the box, and people could see it and steal it. They sent out 2 packages. They said one because the box was too big and they couldn't fit the other stuff, which I don't believe. And then another one for the smaller stuff that I wanted, because it was like $75, and so I added $25 worth, especially since that CVS sticker. I tried everything. Someone suggested those goops or whatever. I forgot what they're called. And that usually works well. I've tried everything, alcohol, everything. I tried the goop, nothing worked. So I went ahead and got new ones because I like the packaging, and I hated that sticker on CVS. Did you see his brain, Steph? Did it go over there?
What brain?
Anyway, so the FedEx was supposed to arrive today, and the post office was supposed to deliver tomorrow, and it's the opposite. I don't know what I'm getting. I've been so tempted to just go ahead and order the one from Ulta, and there's 20% off coupon. So that would have been really cool, but unfortunately, I just didn't want to order two separate, things of it. So I did it last time. Then you got to go back and bring it back to the store. And anyway, it comes down to either $65 or $60 if you do it through Ulta with the 20% off coupon. So you can do that. So my package arrived today, and I'm probably gonna pick it up later on when I go out to do groceries. So I'll show you that next week. But yes, I wanted to start doing some of my other things, but Wet n Wild keeps throwing stuff at us. It had it had like a face set, 2 of them. One was pink, one was blue, because it's Little Twin Stars. They had the lip balms, pink and blue. I think one might be a scrub and one might be just a balm. The face set in blue, it's got a regular blush, but it's got a blue highlighter. And then the other one, it's just glitter that you can just put on your face. So you have the pink set and you have the blue set, but the blue set has a regular blush, like a peach or whatever blush. They have 2 lip glosses, two lip mousses. They have a sponge set, pink and blue. They have a sponge holder. They have a bag. And I always order an extra bag just in case it doesn't come with the bag. And surprisingly, it was still available, since yesterday. It's still available today on Wet n Wild. Supposed to be available on Amazon, though I haven't seen it. And it is still available on Ulta. And like I said, right now they have 20% off coupon, so it's $75 you get it, I think, for $60. So, if it would have come out first on Ulta, OMG, I would have got it from Ulta. I would have got $15 off, and I would have had it yesterday, you know, because people have already been showing theirs. They had gotten it already like yesterday and I think the day before. So one of the things I also asked Wet n Wild was, is this ready to be shipped or do we have to wait till it comes from overseas? And they didn't answer that. But mine shipped, it was Friday that it came out, and then by Monday it was shipped. So that's good. So yeah, so that's the new thing to look forward to. Still available at Wet n Wild and Ulta, the box set. Don't know if it comes with the bag or not. But, always remember, my tip is, if you're going to order the box, order something with it, because they will just ship it out like that. And it could get stolen, the box gets damaged, stuff inside gets damaged. So it's better if you order it with something. So they were telling me they couldn't fit anything else in the box. So now I'm kind of nervous about what's going to happen, because FedEx was supposed to arrive today here, and it's just got into Texas. So most likely I won't get it till tomorrow. I hope. But anyway, okay, so next week I'm going to do a scarecrow look. And then the following week I will do like 2 looks with the little twin stars, because there's 2 cheek palettes. So I'll do 1 look with the blue and 1 look with the pink. So yeah, so alright guys, love you. Mwah. Bye.